Hey guys, it's Thomas here. Hope you're having a great day. Today I want to talk about two of my passions. One is Notion and the other is surfing. And I've created a template called SurfMate, which I basically use to track my surf trips, the destinations, and everything having to do with traveling for surfing. So let me show you how the template looks like. First of all, you can track your boards. Second of all, you can track your bucket list of destinations to go to. I have three here. They'll obviously look great. And the third part, which is the gist of the template, is the destinations list. So currently, I now have here almost like 30 places that are either in my bucket list that I've already visited or that I would love to go at some point. Okay, so let me show you how these sections work together. So first of all, the boards. I mean, this is relatively simple. You can add your board with different basic parameters. You can mark whether it's your board or it's rental, and then also you can track the destinations or places that you've served with this board. Okay, secondly, the bucket list. This is obviously quite self-explanatory, so you can just track here the places that are on your immediate travel list. And the as I said, like the main gist of the template is the destination list. So if I just show you how a detail of each of these looks like. So Tagazout in Morocco. What I've done here is that I've put together a lot of data around each of these destinations, so going from obviously where this place is, to what's the best season to surf, what the temperature, wetsuit requirement, and a lot of more data which are important when you're making the travel plans. And I've also collected some interesting resources around guidance to the destination and surfing. So these are mostly online resources or YouTube videos that I found super helpful. So basically, this is a great place to start your planning, and obviously you can use this space for your further like notes that you create on the go. But I think that this is a great resource when you're looking like where to go. And this is supported by a bunch of smart filters that I found useful for me. So for example, you can filter the destinations by surfing season, which I find super helpful. So basically, this is a breakdown for each month. So let's say you're planning a trip for March or April or any month. You can already see which destinations should be working. And there's bunch of more filters. Like by the location, by your budget. So going from the cheap ones to the expensive destinations. And obviously you can also track the places that you've already visited. So SurfMate is a content-rich template, which I find super helpful when I'm planning my places to go surfing. And I hope you find it useful as well. It would be great to hear what features are you guys looking for in your surf trip planning. And if you like the template, there's a link provided below, so check it out. And I would be super happy if you find the template useful as well. Thank you very much. Have a great day and happy surfing.